The planche push-up. So planche push-up is very similar to a regular push-up. The difference is going to be that you're going to lean as far forwards as you possibly can. So the easy version, it's not actually that easy, but you're going to be on your knees, and your setup is basically your thumbs are going to be parallel. So you don't want to be fingers parallel, you want to be thumbs parallel, so slightly turned out, which will allow you to get a little bit further forwards. Now the planche position means basically you're leaning far forward so that your shoulders are forwards relative to your hands. So in a kneeling position, you're going to go from this position, you're going to set yourself up by protracting your shoulders, meaning that you're going to push your shoulders forwards, and then you're going to lean as far as you can go. So when you're learning the exercise, you might not be able to go all the way. That's okay, you just do whatever you can, and go through the movement as follows. So pushing the shoulders forwards into the ground, so you're pushing your hands into the ground, keeping your pelvis tucked under, and then it's a regular push-up. So you're gonna find that it's tricky to breathe throughout, but essentially you're gonna load yourself up with air at the top and then push the air out as you're pushing the ground away. So you can hear it, it goes, and you can see in this top position, I'm leaning way forwards. So that's ideal, that's the planche push-up, the easy version, but we're gonna go potentially into some more challenging variations. So the next variation will be the straddle version. Straddle meaning that your feet are gonna be out wide, then you're going to come through the same position, so shoulders pushed forwards, leaning as far forwards as you can, like so. If that's easy enough for you, you can bang out the requisite number of repetitions, then you go straight leg and same, pelvis tucked, shoulders pushed forwards, and then hands pushed into the ground, going through the motion, and then finishing in that planche or the forward leaning position. So that is your planched push-up. If you've got it, you can explore going with the feet off the ground. Now I'm not going to demonstrate that one. If you are strong enough to be able to do that, then that should be fairly self-explanatory. But for everyone else, then keep the feet on the ground and keep yourself safe. That's the planche push-up.